Kaspersky Small Office Security 3 package includes Kaspersky Small Office Security for Personal Computer, Kaspersky Small Office Security for File Server, Kaspersky Internet Security for Android for mobile devices. To install Kaspersky Internet Security for Android on your mobile device, download the application from Kaspersky Lab website and activate it with an activation code. One distributive is used to install the versions for both personal computer and file server. The installation process of a required product depends on your operation system. Before the installation, close all working applications. Make sure your PC meets application system requirements. Check out the list of incompatible software. If you have incompatible software installed, you need to remove it. If you have the previous version of the application installed, you can install Kaspersky Small Office Security 3 on top of your application. If you are installing the application under Windows 8, go to the desktop before the installation by clicking the desktop button. Let's pass on to the start of software installation. If you purchased the application package on a CD, insert the disk into the CD-ROM. Installation will start automatically. If the installation has not started, you can run the setup file manually. Open the Install folder on the CD with Windows Explorer and double-click on the setup file with .exe extension. While purchasing the application in the eStore, you will get a link to the setup file. You must start the installation manually. Double-click on the downloaded file. Read Kaspersky Lab End User License Agreement. If you accept the terms, click Install to run installation. Read Kaspersky Security Network (KSN) Agreement. When you participate in Kaspersky Security Network, new threats found on your PC, the unique identification number assigned to your PC by the application, and your operation system information are submitted to Kaspersky Lab. No personal data is gathered, processed, or stored. Select the checkbox if you accept the terms. If you don't want to participate in Kaspersky Security Network, deselect the checkbox I want to participate in Kaspersky Security Network (KSN) to provide optimal protection to my computer, and the installation will continue. During the installation process, Setup Wizard will search for incompatible programs. If there are no such programs, the wizard will pass on to the next step. If some incompatible software is found, they appear in a list on the screen, and Installation Wizard will offer you to uninstall them. If the application cannot delete them automatically, you must uninstall them manually. While deleting programs, you will need to restart your PC. The installation will continue automatically after it. The installation process may take some time, so wait until it is finished. After it copies program files and registers modules, Wizard will tell you installation is finished. To start the application right away, check the Run Kaspersky Small Office Security 3 box and click Finish. During the first run, the application will ask you to select the activation method. After the activation, you will be able to use a fully functional version of the application for a certain period of time. Before the activation, make sure the system data is set up correctly. Make sure your computer has an access to the Internet. Activate trial or commercial version of the program. If you selected Activate Commercial Version, enter activation code of 20 characters and click Next. If you don't have an activation code, select Activate Trial Version and click Next. In this case, the program will be activated for 30 days.